My name is Lalan. I have taken Lakshya batch in PW and I have secured KCET in 2287 rank.
Okay. Can you introduce your mother also?
My mother is her name is Supriya. She works as a primary school teacher in Hattingli, Sri Siddhivinayaka Residential School, Hattingli.
Ma'am, welcome to the function. Welcoming you also to the function. So I just wanted to ask this one important question: that what one suggestion would you give to your juniors for the preparation part?
Actually, I think that the children must believe in their teachers, blindly believe in their teachers, because they know more than what children know. Because some children, they get some kind of head weight and all that stuff. So I say that the children must believe in their teachers. And another thing is that the children must stay motivated and keep their deadlines in such a way that they don't need some kind of motivation, so that they watch videos and all that stuff.
Correct.
Because I had many time constraints, because I had from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock college, and when I come to home, then I had to watch videos. So I need to do watching the videos, solving the DPPs and modules, everything.
And how you really used to manage your 8 to 6 college and then online coaching?
At beginning, I started 8 to 6 college, and then I watched videos, and when at 12 o'clock or something, I would sleep, and morning I would get up and solve the modules, everything. But later on, like August or September, I thought that it was becoming a little bit heavy. So I used to plan a few days for videos and a few days for solving all the modules. So I could complete all the modules. Physics wala, all the modules I completed. And another thing I would like to say that the physics wala modules are like very good for JEE. Advanced level also it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your score in KCET is?
Score, I got 102 out of 141.
And the ranking?
Ranking is 2287.
Okay. So one more last question for you is, whenever you get distracted in the online platform, people are getting distracted. So what is it one motivational line you want to? Maybe they might know it, but you just reminding it. What is it?
I just want to say that the students must keep so many deadlines in such a way that they should get busy in their work, so that they should not think about distractions or something. Sometimes, we even get distracted, but we need to manage to go in the same line.
Like channelize your energy in a proper life.
Yeah, and we need to, like for example, watching the videos, we need to complete these many tasks in a day. We need to design day-to-day tasks, or at least week-to-week tasks. That time we'll be indulged in the work in such a way that we'll not be thinking about distractions or something.
Correct. So thank you so much, and congratulations once again for achieving the amazing result. We will definitely convey your wishes to the other team also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.